2.
Hey you guys, I'm back. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please consider liking, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. If you are a returning viewer, I love you so much. Thank you for being here. Now, I have something so cool for you today, and I can't wait to show you what it is. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you have old waxes, sealants, coatings that you are ready to remove to start fresh, you might think that doing so has to be complicated. But today I'm showing you a super simple process for stripping your paint that is absolutely not complicated, but super easy to do. All right, guys, so this isn't a hack. This isn't a magic trick. This is a super simple way to remove protection from your paint, and it's called Pairway from Luminus, paired with a simple applicator. I'm about to show you how easy this can be. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you that there is some protection on this hood. Okay, you can see the protection there. It is definitely time to remove and reapply. So I'm going to show you how easy that is. Okay, you're going to leave your vehicle wet. It does not need to be dried. I'm going to shake Pairway up really good here. I'm going to put about 4 good-sized dots on my applicator. And what they want you to do, Luminus being they, is to kind of apply in straight lines. You don't really need to use a bunch of circular motions. You can to kind of get it started. So I'm going to start here. And I'm just going to show you a little spot. Again, I'm just using straight lines here. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to rinse. I'm then going to come in with a pH neutral shampoo. And then I will come back and rinse again. So you can definitely see, and I'll bring you in closer here from where there was protection to now where there's not. As simple as 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to continue by doing the rest of the hood. You can see with it slipping, it's because it's getting really grabby. I'm gonna wash. And now the water is flat as a pancake. Doesn't get much easier than that, guys. Okay, let's try it on the side panel. You can see that there is protection. Okay, here we go. Come in. About 4 dots. Moment of truth, rinse. Flat. You see that? Flat. Compared to over here, some protection, nothing. Are you convinced yet? All right, guys. So what else can I say? That was easy. That was efficient. That was effective. Now, does this take the place of compounds, polish, 1-2 step? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I am not saying that. But when you want to do a quick removal of whatever protection you have on your vehicle, maybe you don't have a polisher, maybe your polisher broke, maybe you're out of compound, maybe you're out of polish. I don't know. Whatever the situation might be, Pairway is the way to go. It works. It works. It's easy. It's fast. What else can I say? If you like this kind of content, please come back for more. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.